Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your INFINIX Smart 7. Just open the settings. Next you have to scroll down, find app management, then go for the app list. And right now you can from this list select any application that you want to remove. So for example, I want to get rid of the Instagram. So click uninstall. Click OK, and as you can see, it's finished. There's also some applications that you cannot remove, like for example the Google Assistant. When you open it, as you can see, there is no this uninstall button. So basically all default apps you will be not able to remove. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.